everyone, I'm Meldre Intal, 20 years old, a BSF major in social studies. My topic is all about Kyrgyzstan country. A lot of destinations, most epic landscapes, fascinating cultures, and ancient traditions, but few manage to contain them all quiet like Kyrgyzstan. The landlocked nations of the heart of Central Asia, with friendly people and prices that will keep even the most budget-conscious traveler happy. There is no better time to head there for your next photography adventure. There are 7 reasons why Kyrgyzstan is the most photogenic place in the earth. Number 1. Majestic mountains. 93% of landscape in Kyrgyzstan is covered by mountains, so it's little surprise that the alpine scenery is some of the best in the world. Thus, it has developed a reputation as the Patagonia or Switzerland of Central Asia, and for good reason. Number 2. Silk Road history. When the trading routes of the Silk Road were in the prime, exotic products were transported all across Central Asia, allowing for glorious cities to rise in the landlocked nations, while nations like Iran and Uzbekistan constructed the captivating blue-tiled mosques. They're known for smaller lands like Kyrgyzstan's developed sprawling caravans and minerals. Number 3. Nomadic sports. The Kyrgyzstan people are passionate about their history, and one element that has survived generation after generations is their love for sports. Yet, these sports are nothing like you find back home. 4. Traditional living. Get out of the cities and you soon find yourself among sprawling, jealous, summer pastures, tiny villages, and wide open spaces. It's here you find the Kyrgyzstan people going about their nomadic lives in much the same way we have been for years. The iconic yurts can be found almost everywhere, and the people are always happy to welcome visitors inside. 5. Cultural experiences. When you travel the Kyrgyzstan, you will have the wonderful opportunity to learn all about the fascinating Kyrgyzstan culture. It managed to survive the control of the Soviet Union, creating a place that is almost as colorful and vibrant as it ever was. Seeing it for yourself as something you won't ever forget. Number 6. Hospitable people. The Kyrgyzstan are among the most hospitable in the world. Even the capital of the city, Bishkek, the locals are warm, friendly, and welcoming, excited to meet travelers exploring their beautiful nation. Get out into the countryside, and the hospitality takes on a wild new level. Number 7. The World Nomads Game. This event combines the absolute best of Kyrgyzstan with the cultural exhibitions, traditional music, ancient sports, and historic demonstrations. The people are immensely proud of the World Nomad Games and will be enthralled and excited throughout the multi-day festival. Lastly, traveling in Kyrgyzstan is safe for the people. The hospitality of the persons, the scenery, and the country is absolutely impressive.
Kyrgyzstan, so much to discover.